Is your Windows PC running low on storage space? Don't worry. First press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Now type clean mgr and press enter. Windows Disk Cleanup will open. Select your main drive, which is usually the C drive, then click OK. After a quick scan, you'll see a list of files you can safely remove, like temporary files, thumbnails, recycle bin files, and system cache. Check the boxes for the files you want to clean, then click OK and select Delete Files. Next, press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Go to System, then Storage. Here, turn on Storage Sense. This feature automatically removes temporary files and clears the recycle bin from time to time, so your PC stays cleaner without manual work. You can also click Configure Storage Sense or run it now to clean files instantly. Now let's remove apps you no longer use. Press Windows plus R again, type appwiz.cpl, and press Enter. This opens the installed programs list. Look through the apps carefully and uninstall anything you no longer need. Old games, unused software, and large programs can take up gigabytes of storage. After that, let's manually clear temporary files. Open Run again with Windows plus R. Type %10% and press Enter. Select everything inside the folder and delete it. Some files may say they're currently in use. That's completely normal. Just skip those files. For another quick cleanup, open Run one more time and type prefetch. Press Enter and continue with administrator permission if asked. Delete the old cached files inside this folder as well. Finally, don't forget to empty your recycle bin. Just right-click the recycle bin on your desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin to permanently free the space. And if you want to free up even more storage, open File Explorer and search for large files using filters like size to quickly find huge files you may not need anymore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.